Hello everyone, welcome to T4, which is the fourth video of your training. So in this video we would be talking pretty much about Outlook, that how we have to use it and how the platform is. So first for that you have to go to outlook.com and you just enter that one and then you click on sign in. So in sign in, a password would be already provided to you and the email address to the Outlook. So you would be using that one only. So you paste the email given to you. Sorry. And given to you here. Okay. Once you have clicked on next, it will be taking you to the Outlook platform, and let's see if they ask me for the password, because I have already signed in it, and but it did not ask for that because I was already signed in, but for you would be asked for it, so then you have to provide the password over there also. So this is the platform of the Outlook. It is very much user friendly. Here we have the folders, so you right click on the folders and create new folder. So each and every entrant, they will have their folders over here. So the first folder has to be create new folder, and in order for us to access that one, so it would take us to the new folder over here. Yeah, here it is. So we have to write our name. Suppose we just take an example, Ahmed. Okay, and we enter that one. So once we did that, then we have to search for that folder where that would be located. So let's find that one. Yeah, here it is. So what you do next is you right click on this one and create new subfolder. So in new subfolder you would be creating another folder and you have to name it CVs and questionnaire. And questionnaires. Okay. Spelling is not okay. Yeah, you have to correct it from him, and then you enter that. So as we were saying that we have created our folder by the name of Ahmed here. Then we have created another subfolder here by the name of CV and questionnaire. So we are left with two other folders we have to create, and we're gonna do that right now. So we right click on our name and we click on create new subfolder. Once we do that, so we name this folder as inbox. Okay, and this folder would be used when the TL or ATL try to send you something, so you will be constantly checking on your inbox, especially they will be sharing the CVs here with you, and then you can follow it up with you entering. So we enter on that, so that one is also created. Then we are left with just one other folder we have to create, that one as well. So right click on our name and then we come to create new folder, and we have to create our third and last folder, which would be named as sent. So this is also the folder that we would be using. Suppose they have given us an email here in inbox, so we check as right now nothing is here in the inbox here. So once they send or share the email or CVs here with you, so you would be checking on this one, and then you would continue with the process as required. So for example, we go to this junk email. Okay, there is none. Yeah, this one. So we click on this one and we send them the email. So once we did this, then we would be coming into this email, and then we have to move it. Once we click on move, here we can search for our name, and or we can move it to our sent folder. So as soon as we sent an email, we have to shift it to our sent email over here. So in order for this area to be cleared and each and everyone should not be facing any confusion, so that's why we have to move our folder. So as long as sending email to your Outlook is concerned, so as you saw, I clicked over here on a new message. So here would be the email of that person you would be sending the email, and here would be the subject of your email that you have to be sharing, and here the body or the content of the email. One thing you have to do is, and keep in mind that you click on this one, and as when you are sending the email, so you have to set the importance, this one. So it's normal right now, so you have to take it as high, like it is important. And once you click on that one, then you see this one over here. It means that you set your email priority as important or very high. Okay, so that's pretty much it with the Outlook. Nothing more special about this one, very much easy. So it's in all sending email and receiving emails, so you would be using this one over here. So if there is any question, please comment below, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and hit that bell icon in order for you to get notified as soon as the next training video is uploaded. So stay tuned guys, take care, and bye bye for now.